Teacher and friends, I want to speak some line about my ambition in life. There are a very few persons who are happy-go-lucky by nature have not got aim in their life. Precious sir, as for myself, I do not have very ambition aims in my life. I do not wish to become a millionaire or a multi-millionaire. The sole object of my life is to lead a life of simplicity and goodness devoted to the service of humanity. The life of a professional leader or a politician that does not interest me, as most of such persons have grown parasites on the society. I am born in the middle class family. From the very beginning, I have been passing through the struggle of life. I have seen a broad competition in most of the professions. Its consequences have been far-reaching. People are demoralized. Examples are not wanting when we can find engineer accepting big bribes, lawyer receiving guilty persons or murderers, and doctors demanding money from the patients at crucial stages of surgical operations. Respected audience, then what do I want to be indeed? From the core of my heart, I wish to become scientist. The motto of this life, simple living and high thinking, inspire me to take up this profession. Moreover, of this profession of science is a great service of humanity. I want to do some new in this field.